This question belongs to the subject operating systems and was asked in GATE 1991. And the topic name is virtual memory. So the question states, choose the correct alternatives and write the corresponding letters only. The size of address space in virtual memory system is limited by the size of MAR, the available secondary storage, the available main memory, all of the above, none of the above, or both A and B. So let me tell you the concept behind this. So what happens is that we have our hard disk, or we can say secondary memory, and we have our main memory, or we can say RAM or main memory. Okay. Then we have a CPU. What CPU does? CPU generates the logical address. Logical address which is converted to physical address, and then it is searched over here. And where this logical address is stored? This logical address is stored in memory address register, or we can say MAR. Now what happens? So nowadays, what is the size of RAM that we are seeing in our laptops or computers? It is 16 GB or 32 GB. And what are the size of softwares that we are seeing? Or we can say the programs or softwares. So we can see hundreds of GB of games or larger software, 50 GB softwares, games, all these are present. Videos are over 1 GB. So we can see these sizes are definitely greater than RAM. So when we want to run a program, we need to bring it to the RAM. But if the size is like, and what is the size of secondary memory? It's in TBs, like 1024 GBs, 1024 GBs. So basically, all these programs need to be in secondary memory only. So secondary memory size should be definitely greater than this. So the size of address space in a virtual memory system is limited by. So now see, this size is basically called the virtual memory. Virtual memory size or the software size, both are the same things. So virtual memory size is basically limited by secondary memory. As if secondary memory is less, if it is 10 GB, we can't store 100 GB program now. Thus, it is limited by the available secondary storage. This option is true. But see, we are having 100 GB game. Let us suppose this will come over here. 100 GB will occupy over here, and we have 1024 greater than 100. But when we want to bring it to RAM, RAM is only suppose 32 GB. So we can't bring it to the RAM. So this virtual memory, here we are using virtual memory concept. So what we do, we divide this 100 GB file into various pages, and we divide main memory into frames, or we can also do segmentation. This is a paging concept, and we bring only some of the pages into main memory frames. Like if there are 10 GB pages, then we bring, let us suppose, 2 pages in the main memory, 10 GB and 10 GB, 20 GB. Thus we can easily accommodate this. So is the size of virtual memory 100 GB limited by the size of main memory? No, it is not limited. We can have any amount of main memory and we can bring the pages to the RAM. So it's not limited by the main memory. Now what is this MAR? MAR is basically, let us suppose when CPU generates the address, CPU generates the address according to this process. So according to the 100 GB process, CPU generates the address. So if, let us suppose we have 2 to the power 16 bytes, or we can say 64 KB, 64 KB program, then this memory address register will have 64 bytes or 16 bits. It will have 16 bits, so that it can represent 2 to the power 16 bytes of memory. And if this is limited to, let us suppose 100 bits, then it can only represent 2 to the power 100 bytes. So thus this size of this memory address register also limits the size of this physical memory, as if we can't basically scan this memory by doing this. Let us suppose it's x bytes, then if 2 to the power x is less than the size of our program, then we can't just basically access the lower parts of the program. Thus We can easily say that it is limited by the size of the memory address register. This is true. All of the above no, as option C is false. None of the above no. So answer is option both A and B are true. Option F.